Here's a list of some of the most common warning signs that you might be dealing with heavy metal toxicity: skin irritation, neurological disorders, brain fog, trouble concentrating, difficulty learning, and poor memory. Welcome back to my channel, For the Living. In today's video, we're going to talk about heavy metals and how it's related to skincare. Remember, this is not a diagnosis. I'm just excited about detoxifying the body and what I've learned along the way, so I just want to spread the word. Keep watching because I have bonus information at the end of the video that you're going to love. The principal goal of a heavy metal detox is to remove accumulated heavy metals from your brain and nervous system. The kidneys, liver, heart, lymphatic system, and respiratory system will also benefit from removing these metals. Heavy metals are described as being heavy because they stick around in the body, especially hiding out in our fat cells. They're difficult to get rid of, making them similar to fat-soluble toxins. The body tries to protect the organs by trapping certain substances inside, including some metals, which cause them to linger. This is one reason weight loss can sometimes result in heavy metal detoxing, as fat cells shrink and release dormant toxins. Heavy metals are taxing because over time they can collect within bodily tissues, often without the person who is affected even realizing this is happening. Heavy metal toxicity can result in damaged or reduced mental and central nervous function, plus damage to the all-important organs such as the liver, heart, endocrine glands, and kidneys. Heavy metals that can lead to toxicity or poisoning include mercury, lead, arsenic, cadmium, aluminum, nickel, uranium, thallium, and others can include manganese, iron, lithium, zinc, and calcium. Yes, under certain conditions, very high levels of even essential minerals can become dangerous. Here's a list of some of the most common warning signs that you might be dealing with heavy metal toxicity: skin irritation, neurological disorders, brain fog, trouble concentrating, difficulty learning and poor memory, depression, manic depression and or anxiety, insomnia, digestive issues such as IBS, which stands for irritable bowel syndrome, anemia, and may lead to a higher risk for heart attacks. In high amounts, mercury is one of the deadliest metals there is. Certain studies have found that when nerves are exposed to mercury, the myelin sheath, the fatty substance that surrounds the axon on some nerve cells and helps with electrical signaling, can become severely damaged, interfering with how nerves communicate. When they become severe, heavy metal poisoning symptoms can even mimic symptoms associated with Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and multiple sclerosis. Because heavy metal poisoning symptoms mimic those related to aging, such as loss of memory and increased fatigue, many people blame getting older as the cause of their emerging symptoms, not realizing that heavy metal exposure is a major contributing factor. Now, as promised, bonus information for you. Inorganic mercury toxicity often causes skin rashes and inflammation, which is also known as dermatitis. If ingested, can dissolve tissues, and some may be absorbed by the intestinal tissue, which can be then removed by a doctor or a healthcare provider. The most common way to remove toxins from the body is through chelation. Chelation therapy is a medical procedure that involves chelating agents to remove heavy metals from the body by binding to heavy metal toxin ions and allowing them to be dissolved and excreted in the urine. Chelators can be taken as a pill, injected in powder, or in form of a liquid. Let's talk about what you think about today's video. Did you learn something new about skincare? What have you done in the past to combat acne? Tell me all about it. I'm really looking forward to hearing from you. Click on the link to check out the next installment. We're going to continue to talk about heavy metals and how it relates to skincare and things you can possibly do to remove them from the body, so stay tuned. If you found this video useful, say hey in the comment section below. Please like the video, share with at least 10 people you know on all of your social media accounts, and subscribe. Hit the notification button so you always know when I upload. Bye!